Hello, dear friends. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel and the Nursing Life. Friends, आज आम डिस्कसन करबा नर्सिंग मेमोरी कैप्सूल पार्ट 3. इट इज फ्रॉम साइकियाट्रिक नर्सिंग. इटा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट की पॉइंट्स जोटा आपण मनकर अपकमिंग OSSC एग्जाम एम्स नर्सेड एंड आल्सो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फॉर ऑल अपकमिंग नर्सिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. सो वीडियो को जल्दी जल्दी लाइक शेयर कर दिंतु एंड चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देखुछंती ताहले सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन फॉर लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन. So let's start the today nursing memory capsule. Friends, first nursing memory capsule from psychiatric nursing is Philip Pinel, is the father of modern psychiatric. Philip Pinel, father of modern psychiatric. In the year 1912, Indian Lunacy Act was passed. Then in the year 1987, Indian Mental Health Act passed. Then in the year 1982, National Mental Health Program launched by the government of India. Then in the year 1965, INC included psychiatric nursing in BSc nursing program. Then in the year 1943, mental health nursing course was first started for male nurses. Next memory capsule. In the year 1976, Master in Psychiatric Nursing was first started at RAK College of Nursing, New Delhi. So first master in psychiatric nursing, first MSc nursing started hitla psychiatric nursing in the year 1976. Then 10th October is the World Mental Health Day. Then in the year 2021, the theme of the World Mental Health Day is mental health in an unequal world. So theme of the World Mental Health Day 2021, that is mental health in an unequal world. Then total score of MMSE, total score of mental status examination is 30. Then Parkinson disease occurs when decreased dopamine level. Next देखिए schizophrenia mania when increased dopamine level, then schizophrenia and mania occurs. Then Alzheimer's disease when decreased acetylcholine level, Alzheimer's disease occurs. Then depression, so when increased acetylcholine level and decreased norepinephrine level, depression occurs. Then Korsakoff's syndrome occurs due to vitamin B1, that is thiamine deficiency. Deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to Korsakoff's syndrome. And hypomnesia means abnormally poor memory of the past. Abnormally poor memory of the past is known as hypomnesia. Next, hypoagility means deprivation of activities. Then hyperagility means excessive activity. Amnesia means severe memory loss. Then mental status examination MMSE is used to assess cognitive impairment. So MMSE is used to assess cognitive impairment. Then glossophobia means fear of speaking in public place. Then monophobia fear of being alone. Next memory capsule is ecophobia. Ecophobia means fear of one's home. Then atychiphobia means fear of failure. And Lokiphobia means fear of childbirth. Latrophobia means fear of doctors. Philophobia means fear of love. Pyrophobia means fear of fire. Then Thanatophobia means fear of death. Next memory capsule is Noctiphobia means fear of night. Ophidophobia means fear of snakes. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Ailurophobia, fear of cats. Achulophobia, fear of darkness. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Next memory capsule is restless leg syndrome or Ekbom syndrome. Ekbom syndrome, when vitamin B12 deficiency occurs, Ekbom syndrome is seen. So restless leg syndrome means vitamin B12 deficiency. The most common indication of ECT is major depression. So most common indication of ECT is major depression. The normal range of duration of electricity delivered during ECT is 0.7 to 1.5 seconds. Then the voltage needed to produce seizures while giving ECT, so 70 to 130 volts. So voltage given for produce seizure in ECT is 70 to 130 volts. Next nursing memory capsule is most common complication of ECT is retrograde amnesia. So what is retrograde amnesia? Retrograde amnesia is a loss of memory access to events that occurred or information that was learned in the past. Next memory capsule is commonest side effects of ECT is dislocation of mandible. Then most common side effect of ECT is temporary memory loss. Next question. Next memory capsule is most common cause of dementia is Alzheimer's disease. Then features of Alzheimer's disease is recent and fast memory loss. And best test for diagnosis of organic mental disorder is Bender-Gestalt test. Most common type of schizophrenia is paranoid schizophrenia. And common risk factor in patient with severe depression is suicidal tendency. Next nursing memory capsule is most common psychiatric disorder is depression. Then pyromania is a type of impulse. Then most common psychiatric illness seen in majority in India is depression. Most common psychiatric illness seen in majority in India is depression. And mania is a mood disorder. And treatment choice for OCD. Is obsessive compulsive disorder, that is combination of behavior and drug therapy, CBT. So treatment choice for OCD is CBT, combination of behavior and drug therapy. Next, bulimia nervosa, that is eating disorder. When a person keeps eating too much and then making himself or herself vomit in order to control his or her weight, that is bulimia nervosa. Then anorexia nervosa, it is also an eating disorder. And emotional, it is an emotional disorder characterized by an obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat. Then next is squeeze technique is used for premature ejaculation. Next nursing memory capsule is bestiality, is also known as zoophilia. And trichotillomania means it is a condition in which children is pulling out hair. Tourette is a disorder. Tourette is a disorder of tics. So therapeutic serum level of lithium is 0.8 to 1.2 mg per liter. So therapeutic serum level of lithium is 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. Then drug of choice to treat extrapyramidal symptoms is benzotropine. Next nursing memory capsule is drug of choice for Tourette's disorder, that is haloperidol. So drug of choice for Tourette disorder is haloperidol. Haloperidol is the drug of choice for Tourette disorder. Antidote of benzodiazepine. So antidote of benzodiazepine is flumazenil. So antidote of benzodiazepine is flumazenil. Then next nursing memory capsule is extrapyramidal symptoms are the side effect of antipsychotic drugs. Antipsychotic drugs are side effects are extrapyramidal symptoms. Then treatment of choice of bipolar mood disorder is lithium. Then drug of choice for prophylaxis of mania. So prophylaxis of mania, drug of choice is lithium. Next देखिए gender specific side effect of valproate is PCOD. Aphonia means person is able to speak only in whisper. Echolalia, parrot-like repetition of words spoken by others. Then lack of insight, patient is not aware of his or her mental illness. Lack of insight means patient is not aware of his or her mental illness. Then battery, touching one's body without consent means battery. Next nursing memory capsule is less than 24 cut off score of MMSE. So जदि 24 हम MMSE less than 24 हम then it is used to detect dementia. जदि less than 24 हम MMSE then it is detect dementia. And photophobia means abnormal sensitivity to light. Then hypersomnia means excessive sleep. Echolalia means repetition of words spoken by others. Echopraxia means repetition of movements performed by others. Next देखिए hallucination. It is a sensory perception such as visual image or a sound that occurs in the absence of an actual external stimulus. Then illusion, misinterpretation of external stimuli. Then delusion is a fixed false belief of a person which cannot be changed. Then delirium, it is a serious disturbance in mental ability that results in confused thinking, reduced awareness of the environment. Then waxy flexibility. Waxy flexibility, it is a condition in which a person remains in a position for an unusual long time after someone else places him or her in a position. Next देखिए, sequence of administration of medication in anesthesia for ECT. So first atropine दिया, then first atropine given, then thiopentone or methotrexate given, then succinylcholine given. So in Johari window there are 4 quadrants. Johari window, 4 quadrants in Johari window. Interpersonal theory of nursing is proposed by Hildegard Peplau. So father of intelligence is Alfred Binet. Alfred Binet is the father of intelligence. So thank you so much for watching and listening. So next video re puni dekha habo new subject with part 4 nursing memory capsule. So subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Tata, bye bye.